Day 3 was a fantastic day. Sunlight, scenery, and some amazing meals. Not a whole lot more to say. And over in the grill, some sautéed veggies.
That's the reason we're exploring. You don't know what you'll run into on an exploration. What the sky looks like.
I'm a sucker for those cheap little Belgian waffles at the hotel. So we went ahead and grabbed some of the waffle mix and we're gonna load up the GoSun grill. We hiked out to a secluded beach full of natural wonders. We waded in the shallow waters and made friends with some little critters.
So these are Belgian waffles. We're gonna do like a crumb here.
Okay.
Topping. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing.
Emily hooked up some cheesy jalapeno
in Pensacola,
poppers.
Florida. Got some yummy beach food. Oh, those look gorgeous.
Of an exploration.
The Emerald Coast. And we've got some last bits of sunlight. We're hoping to make dinner.
Stars.
Dinner was a crawfish bisque, along with some sautéed zucchini and peppers.